यो कसैलाई नदेऊ. Don't give it to anyone. Don't give it to anyone. यो अरु कसैलाई नदेऊ भन्न चाहिँ. Don't give it to anyone else. Don't give it to anyone else. यो तिम्रो लागि हो. This is for you. This is for you. अब यो तिम्रो लागि मात्र हो भन्न चाहिँ. This is only for you. This is only for you. म आशा गर्छु कि तिमी बुझ्छौ अथवा तिमीले बुझ्छौ भन्ने मलाई आशा छ. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. कम से कम बुझ्ने कोशिश गर भन्नलाई. At least try to understand. At least try to understand. Try भनेको कोशिश गर्नु. At least try to understand. तिमीले ध्यान दिनु पर्छ. You have to pay attention. You have to pay attention. Attention, ध्यान. A-T-T-E-N-T-I-O-N. Attention. Attention. You have to pay attention. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु YouTube च्यानल. You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube च्यानल. आजको भिडियोमा हामी यसरी नै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरूको अभ्यास गर्ने छौं. We will practice some very important English sentences in this video. के तपाई तयार हुनुहुन्छ त? Are you ready? तिमी मसँग आउनै पर्छ. You have to come with me. You have to come with me. मैले उसलाई हिजो भेटे. I met him yesterday. I met him yesterday. Met भनेको meet को past tense हो. Meet भनेको भेट्नु, met भनेको भेटेको. I met him yesterday. ऊ पार्टीमा आउन चाहन्छ. He wants to come to the party. He wants to come to the party. यो धेरै गाह्रो छ अथवा चाम्रो छ. It is too hard. It is too hard. Hard को अर्थ गाह्रो अथवा चाम्रो. कुन समयमा कसरी प्रयोग गर्नुहुन्छ त्यसमा यसको अर्थ भर पर्नेछ. It is too hard. कोशिश गर्यौ भने केही गाह्रो छैन. Nothing is hard if you try. Nothing is hard if you try. मलाई सहयोग गरेकोमा धन्यवाद. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. सहयोगको लागि धन्यवाद भन्न चाहिँ. Thank you for the help. Thank you for the help. Help भनेको सहयोग गर्नु पनि हो र यहाँ प्रयोग गरे झैं सहयोग मात्र पनि हो. Thank you for the help. तिमी राम्रो साथी हौ. You are a good friend. You are a good friend. म तिमीलाई कहिल्यै धोका दिने छैन. I will never betray you. I will never betray you. B-E-T-R-A-Y, betray. Betray को अर्थ धोका दिनु. I will never betray you. म कहिल्यै तिम्रो साथी बन्ने छैन. I will never be your friend. I will never be your friend. तिमीलाई कसैले मन पराउँदैन. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes you. सधैँ सत्य कुरा बोल. Always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. कहिल्यै झुटो बोल्नु हुँदैन. You should never lie. You should never lie. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. यो च्यानल मात्र होइन, हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लास युट्युब च्यानललाई पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नछुटाउनुहोला. दुईटै च्यानलको सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको जुन घण्टी छ, त्यो घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन अवश्यै नछुटाउनुहोला. यस्तै सारै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनको लागि. उनीहरू आएका छैनन्. They haven't come. They haven't come. उनीहरू अझै आएका छैनन् भन्न चाहिँ They haven't come yet. They haven't come yet. Yet को अर्थ अझै. They haven't come yet. मेरा आमा बुवा आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ. My parents are coming. My parents are coming. P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Parents नभन्नुहोला, parents. 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 My parents are coming. उहाँहरूको यहाँ केही काम छ. They have some work here. They have some work here. उहाँहरूले मलाई भन्नुभएको छैन. They haven't told me. They haven't told me. मलाई थाहा पाउन पनि मन छैन. I don't even want to know. I don't even want to know. म तिमीलाई यो दिन सक्छु. I can give it to you. I can give it to you. म यो गर्न चाहन्न. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. तिमीले मेरो पैसा फिर्ता गरेका छैनौ. You haven't returned my money. You haven't returned my money. Return something भनेको केही फिर्ता गर्नु. You haven't returned my money. म तिमीलाई पैसा दिन्न. I won't give you any money. I won't give you any money. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. आफै पैसा कमाऊ. Earn money yourself. Earn money yourself. Earn कमाउनु. Earn money yourself. सधैं अरूमा निर्भर नहो. Don't always depend on others. Don't always depend on others. यो आफै गर. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. म तिमीलाई विश्वास गर्छु. I believe in you. I believe in you. म त्यो भोलि किन्नेछु. I will buy it tomorrow. I will buy it tomorrow. यसलाई लामो समय लाग्नेछ. It will take a long time. It will take a long time. यसलाई अरु नै कुनै समय गर. Do it some other time. Do it some other time. Some other time को अर्थ कुनै अरु नै समय. Do it some other time. हामीसँग समय छैन. We don't have time. We don't have time. म धेरै व्यस्त मान्छे हुँ. I am a very busy person. I am a very busy person. Busy, vyasta. I am a very busy person. समय निकाल्ने कोशिश गर. Try to make time. Try to make time. Make time भनेको समय निकाल्नु हो. Try to make time. र आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care and have an amazing day.